Hi, it's Chris. Welcome back to another episode of my backyard shed build. If you've been following the series, you know what's already been done. Concrete tiles laid as the foundation. Wall cleaned and painted. Side panels cut, painted and assembled. By the end of the last episode, I had run out of longer wood pieces. So first thing today, a quick supply run using my utility car to grab more timber. I cut the new wood into 2.7 meter long pieces, perfect for the next stage. So time to paint again. At first, I enjoyed finally dry weather and painted outside. And I have a quick tip for you. I use short off-cut pieces to rest the paint bucket on. This way it stays clean and I don't have to worry about where to set it down later. Just a good habit. But with the weather turning uncertain, I moved the painting indoors to finish the job. Now it's time to install the first side frame. This step is all about precision. Everything must be leveled and properly measured. Remember the rule: measure twice, cut once. Level twice, assemble once. I marked the drilling depth on my drill bit using electrician's tape, a small hack that saves mistakes. Then a quick drill into the wall, followed by some dust cleanup. Next, I hammered in a nylon wall plug and loosely attached the mounting bracket. Leaving it slightly loose gives me a bit of wiggle room when attaching the frame on the left side. After a final check and alignment, it's ready to be fully secured. And with the magic of editing, the upper one is also done. As for the third one, I'm holding off on placing until I'm sure where the best spot will be. That's all I had time for today. Life's busy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow this build step by step. See you next week with the next episode. Thank you.